never been here before. Big Blue just does what he wants to do. Like, who do you think you are? Here's July 2023. Welcome back to Meek's World, another Meek production. Let me stop. Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. We are at Goodwill. Brian's donating some shoes and ties and clothes and stuff. Yeah, after this we're going grocery shopping because we need some grocery. I think that was your first time donating, huh?
No.
No, he don't know. My curl's still popping. It's still popping. We had to make a pit stop at the bank, and I'm going through my little grocery list. It's not much on here at all, but I kind of know in my head what I really want to get, and then these are the things that I might have forgotten about. But yeah, we're gonna have to go to the seafood market as well, and I thought about going to Trader Joe's, but I don't think Brian's gonna want to drive. Well, he'll drive anywhere, but I don't know. I do want to go to Sam's and maybe Aldi or Sam's and Trader Joe's, but Sam's and Aldi are closer together, so he may do that. And I don't know what else we're gonna do today. We may take my niece to the museum, some museum, or sometime while she's here. Probably not today, but we'll find something to do. It's 10% chance of rain all day, so it may not rain. So it's a beautiful day and it's 86 degrees. Whoop, see. It's a beautiful day. We're making so many pit stops before we get to the grocery store. And Brian's gonna take us to Trader Joe's. He likes driving anyway, so I knew it wouldn't be a problem, but I didn't want to be too complicated.
They always say that place is so good. The barbecue place right there.
Smokehouse. We already have an appointment coming up, but Brian wanted to come look at some glasses. The last time we came, we spent like an hour in here looking at glasses to see which ones we might pick, and I have so many pictures in my phone. Are you looking for shades now?
Well,
he doesn't know. Brian is obsessed with coming to Lance Crafters for some reason. Deadbolt?
yeah.
Did you see him in here the last time we came? You may have to order him offline. Let me see.
I like these though.
Oh, I'll have to get used to them. You really like those?
I want some round things.
Could you have these gray hairs in?
They gotta do another thing.
It just caught my eye. How do I open this? Oh, those are cases.
Let me see these.
I don't like the shiny frame. Maybe the matte. I would really have to get used to those. These are the glasses that I liked, but the price is too low for what our insurance would pay for, so I can't get them. But I really like the frames where my brows can be seen, because I don't like hiding my brows. Let's try these on. show y'all. See, why can my brows show? I actually have so many glasses. Well, y'all know I have so many glasses. They are prescribed, but I just want like one pair of glasses that I'm comfortable wearing every day, no matter what I have on, no matter how my hair is. That's what I'm looking for. Did you see these?
Yeah, those I'm trying to rest on those same ones I got.
Oh, can you get those fixed, right?
Huh?
You can get those fixed, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys, I don't know if we even told them, but when we were living in the apartments, Brian's bike was stolen. And he said he think he saw it at the gas station a couple of days ago. He said he pushed it over, he kicked it over.
I should have took
He's
the
so
front
petty.
tire off.
Those people, they've had that bike for over a year now. It's theirs.
But I was in uniform. I couldn't do too much.
These are so nice. How much are these? I see these are $7.99. I think it's better. Oh. It's about to start raining. We felt a few droplets. We only need a few things out of here though.
No, it's good. Just make sure the boogie don't roll.
Was it crowded in there to you?
No.
It was very crowded in Trader Joe's. And then the store is like really small. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Gotta be grateful.
Hey, where you going?
Oh, you need my help? Oh, I thought I was done. No, everybody. Brian think I'm about to help.
What?
I'm not about to help get these groceries. There's two of them. My niece can help and he can do the rest. I'm gonna go take a seat on the couch. Tired. Hustle, hustle, people. Get a move on it. Yeah, you can sit it right there. Come on, Grandma Graham, let's chill. Let's chill. Come on. Let them get the groceries, Graham. Because we always get the groceries when Brian at work, right? We always bring them in by ourselves and put it up and everything. I'm going to give y'all a haul once they have everything in here. It was something about today that just drained me. Okay, I'm going to give y'all a haul right quick. Show you guys what we got. Here's what we got from Trader Joe's and Sam's. Cup noodles that my niece is already eating. Some bread. I plan on making some of those salmon sandwiches that I made before. This bread is so soft from Sam's. We got some ketchup, mayo, all this pasta from Trader Joe's. These are like $1.98 a piece, so I got those. Some sugar, tuna, Trader Joe's bread, 2 of those. What is this? Creamer, the caramel macchiato, and then these drinks that I picked up from Trader Joe's before. The last time I picked up the pineapple, this time I got strawberry, and I know it's gonna be good. And then these, if y'all have not tried these from Trader Joe's, they are so good and so fresh. Fresh squeezed lemonade, and then some more lemonade, strawberry lemonade. This is from Sam's, and this is from Sam's as well. We're just getting to the bottom of our last one, so I picked up another one. Cheese, pure Irish butter, some more butter, eggs. We saw this at Trader Joe's and thought we should try it. Cajun Alfredo sauce. And I picked up some more vegetable burgers, 2 of them this time because I enjoyed them the last time. Brian wanted some more of these. I didn't really too much care for these at Trader Joe's, but Brian liked them. They just taste plain to me, like really plain. Also grabbed 2 of these Impossible meats from Trader. Some Mexican style cheese and pepper jack cheese. Peppers. I saw this at Sam's. It was actually cheaper than the seafood market. So some crawfish tails, and then 2 things of salmon right here. Some hash browns. 2 of these honey walnut shrimp for a quick meal. Vegetable fried rice. They had these on display at Trader Joe's and Brian tried them, so he wanted to get them. Organic sweet cherries, some mixed potatoes, onions, sweet potatoes, peaches, and pickles. Got some broccoli right here from where did I get this from? Sam's. And then over here, all this is from Sam's as well. These are so good. I first tried these from Walgreens. The last bag we brought, I ate half of it, and I could have ate all of it. It's really good. We got some crackers right here. 40-pack of the Lance crackers. Variety box of cereal. This is the only variety box I saw. I haven't had any of these in so long. So got some cereal, some chips right here, the bowl mix, pancake mix, and French toast sticks, and then chocolate chip cookies, along with some assorted muffins, blueberry, banana, and chocolate. and then some croissants. That is it for our grocery haul today. I gotta put it up. I need some of that too.
Yeah, I know. I need to look.
We're out in nature today. My niece, she likes to go on trails too and walks, so she said. My niece is an introvert as well, so you know how that goes. Yeah. I don't want to get bit. I didn't spray that this on the last time we came. Julie got bit? No. I had on longer pants. Well, workout pants. The last time we came, we did not get to like walk around the trail. We just stopped at that water. Can I put this in the trunk?
Yo, I'm alright. How about you?
Oh, my muffin.
No.
I think I'm gonna leave this in the car because I don't want to take my drink up there. We'll just leave it right there. There's a lot more than what we saw the last time.
That's state law, yeah.
Last time we came, the other bird flew away.
Oh.
How many years a tree was? 5. Ooh, what's that dropping? How many years a tree is by the rings. Oh, maybe these right here?
Yeah, right there. I don't know how to count.
Watch me go home tonight to see how do you count the rings of a tree. Huh? We've walked all the way to number 7. Last time we walked to number 4. They have at every one they have these things that were here. This one has a chair, a bench. I hope y'all don't mind coming back out here again. It's just so peaceful, and this is what I'm doing today. I'm out here in nature. Brian and I were talking while we were walking on the trail about, how I'm a city girl, born and raised Miami, and it's city life, city life, city life, city life. And now I'm like, I just want to be outside. Like, take me out here. This is where I want to be. Brian said, you want to go to the mall? I was like, no, let's go to the trail. It's hot, but it's peaceful. We're going to go see how much more this trail has to give, because the first time we came, we only went to marker 4. But I saw something else a little bit further along. So we're going to see what's up there. Y'all, Brian told me the little history behind this trail. Said it belonged to an older Caucasian woman, and it used to be a plantation. Oh, okay. So when she died, she left it to her cat. So they made it out of a trail. Okay, this is what was up here. This is where the bike trail starts, Brian said. And they have more seats on this trail. Oh, look at those trees. I know y'all probably like, Meek, girl, who is this? Who is this? Is this Meek? Yes, it is me, y'all. I heard a boat. I think it's 2 boats. I don't want him to splash any water on me. We're done walking around and Brian was feeling outdoorsy, so we're at this outdoor store called, what is this called? Ree Co-op? Is it Ree?
R-E-I.
Oh, that's it?
R-E-I.
Oh, that's how you say it?
Yeah.
Oh, R-E-I. It's R-E-I.
Yeah.
Co-op. You would think it would say Ree.
Ree what?
Co-op.
Ree-I.
Yeah.
R-E-I.
This is where we are. And I've never been here before.
Made in Italy.
Oh, they have the Stanleys here.
Oh, this is a long time.
This color is nice. They're $40. No, they're $45 here. The regular price online is $40. But this is a big one though. Huh?
You been looking like that?
Yeah. I have a couple of them in my cart, but I haven't purchased one just
I
yet.
know mine. My water bottle at like this. Remember
$40 for a water bottle is like,
you see $40.
no, those the Stanleys. I mean, if I get one, that'll be the only water bottle I have. I'll give away all the rest.
Not your Yetis.
No, not my Yetis. Oh, look at these shades. These look like something you might like.
For me?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Try them on.
You know what kind of shade I want.
Those look nice. You don't like them? I like them. They're nice. $50.
That's what you gotta get a truck to do that though. For the bikes.
Oh yeah. I want a bike. I like this. This lime green one is really nice. So is this one. Did he buy shoes from here before?
Yeah, that's where he got his own clouds from. These own clouds.
They have my size.
10, 11.
Oh no, that's too
10,
big.
11.
Oop. Frozen.
I'm trying
I like
to
those colors.
There's no clearance too. You like them?
Yeah, they look comfortable.
Try it on.
That's not my size.
Oh.
It's too big. They don't have any in my size.
Look at that. Say what?
They have 16.
These like the ones I want, but I want them. I think I want them in white. They said that you could the thing is you could return them at any time. You heard me?
Oh really?
Yeah.
I wonder.
Come on, Cloud. I'm sorry about
Brian's trying to get me in one of these tents.
so we go camping.
There's this big tent right here. It looks comfortable.
I don't think she can handle being in the woods, though.
Always dropping something. Oh, here's the sunflower that I showed you guys in the last video. It bloomed. I had to get a video of it just in case, you know, it gets like this one before I can show you guys. But yes, that's how it turned out. I think the next spring season, I'm going to go for the bigger ones to see how those do. But I did it, y'all. It took a while, but I did it. And here's another. But I wanted to show y'all this one. She bloomed. Hashtag busy blooming. I have to get a video, a picture or something, because it's beautiful. Let's see. Let's do a boomerang. Boomerang. Go potty, Graham. I don't like that one. Okay, we'll go with that. I forgot to get a regular video. There are woodpeckers in the tree. I'm about to make some pancakes, and I fixed myself another protein drink, so that's what I'm drinking right now. This pancake mix from Sam's smells just like a cake mix, so I know it's gonna be good. So I can't wait to try this out. Back, y'all, it's like 2 something in the afternoon. The pancakes were good. Grandma's over here jumping. Just does what he wants to do. Like, who do you think you are? So I had to wash my hair because I was noticing a flare-up from my dermatitis. Y'all know I have dermatitis. This is where it flares up at right here with my edges. That's why it's like 2 different colors. And yeah, when I first experienced it, I was wondering why like my edges were leaving me. And the dermatitis usually, it eats them up. Eats my edges up. If you guys experience this and you know what I'm talking about, well, everybody may experience different like symptoms or what have you, but these are mine. Well, this is mine right here. So I put some MCT oil around my edges. I washed my hair. My scalp was like really dry, so I was like, oh wow. But I think what triggered it is the sun, because I haven't eaten anything. Well, I did have some eggs. I have been out in the sun a lot. It can cause flare-ups as well. I am so excited that the fall is coming. Graham. Like, I don't even know what you're searching for. What are you searching for? Oh, you want me to scratch your neck? I don't have my nails on. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye. He's like, please. Okay. Y'all know me. I told Brian I might as well learn how to, my forehead. This makes my forehead look big. Wow. I promise my forehead is not big. Anyway. What was I saying? Oh, I told Brian that I think I'm going to learn how to groom Graham, like all of it. Well, never mind. I changed my mind. I was just thinking about, you know, the haircut, but he needs his butt cleaned. Like, you know how the groomers do. I'm not doing all that. Okay, so I'm right here. I'm about to start folding up some clothes, but I bought a puzzle yesterday from Dollar Tree, and y'all, this puzzle is so hard. This puzzle is so hard to do. I've gotten a few pieces together, not many, just a few. I did get her face together, but this is the puzzle. It's 500 pieces, and this is how it looks. And I mean, I looked at it when I picked it up, but like all of this space right here with just lines, that's the hard part. And it has like a lot of those parts, like the socks right here. All of this is yellow, so I mean, I guess that's the challenge, but I've only gotten a few things together. I did manage to can see what I'm working with, but yes, I've stopped like 3 times already. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna try to finish it. I have a piece of hair right here. I'm gonna try to finish it. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I've already started it, so we'll see how long it takes. So I'm about to make some salmon hoagie sandwiches. I didn't make them the other day, and I just realized that we did not pick up any shrimp. We didn't even go to the seafood market. Like, we need shrimp. We need shrimp. So yeah, we gotta get some shrimp, but I'm about to make this. I do not like washing salmon. I can wash it, but I don't like peeling the skin off. It's just this, I just don't like it. It's disgusting to me. I'm grateful though. I'm grateful. Peppers right here. Onions. Gonna use this pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna prepare dinner and I'll be back. idea that I came up with that I want to actually do. So I got these. Timo sent me these, so I'm gonna use them. I was gonna use them in the kitchen, but being that they've been sitting in this bag right here for the longest, I saw them yesterday. Well, I pulled them out yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I can put these behind my shelves to, you know, give that illusion. So that's what we're about to do. I wanted to see how it looked with no lights. Right there would be perfect. Built the paper off of the back of these two. These are magnetic, so yeah. I'm gonna stick it right behind here. What I like is, because they have to be charged, and they need to be charged, I can just take it off, charge it, and stick it back. Pretty neat, huh? I love the way it looks. I love the way it looks. It looks so nice, y'all. I mean, I looked at it when I picked it up, but like all of this space right here, I love it. So, I've kind of given up on this puzzle. I like a challenge, but I draw the line. I'm drawing the line with this one. I'm gonna look for another one. It's just, I can't. I don't think I have the patience for this. Like, I can't even concentrate that long on one thing to do this puzzle. So I may go back to it. Yeah, I may go back to it. But right now I'm in the mood to read another book. This one right here that I picked up from Walmart the other day. I do have another book over here that I have not read just yet. Yeah, I do plan on reading this too, but I've heard really good reviews about this one, so I want to start reading this one now. Well, not now, but maybe tomorrow. I am still reading this one as well. I've been taking some notes and stuff, but I'm just really feeling a novel right now. Like, I need another novel in my system. So I'm gonna start this one tomorrow. All right, y'all, this video is coming to an end, but I really want to learn how to do those turban thing. I don't know what it's called, the correct terminology, but you know how they use the scarf thing and put their hair up in a nice, you know, covering and stuff. I want to learn how to do that. I'm sure it's not hard, but I don't have the right scarf or whatever they call it that they use, but I think that'll be cute to do in the winter. Ouch. Ow. I hate when my nail catches onto my hair. It's so annoying. I think I'd love to do that kind of style in the winter time. That was just a quick thought, but I was looking at my old photos of my lock journey, like last year, July. And I found this picture of July of 2022, and y'all, is the change is so noticeable. Like a year later, I didn't even notice that my hair had even dropped. My sister brought it to my attention. So this is my hair in July of 2022. Like, it looked so curly too. You couldn't even tell that I had locks in my head. Like, it just looks like a twist out or something. But so there's that one, July 2022, and then here's July 2023. Like, I took this picture today, and wow, this is why it's very important to take pictures, so you can go back and see the difference, see the growth. Okay. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how my hair is gonna be next month. Like I've been loving every stage of this journey, and I definitely can't wait until July 2024, Lord's willing. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all those comparison photos. That's all I wanted to say. That's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna let y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a sunflower. That's what we're gonna do. Every video, leave a sunflower, because that's really what it is. Like, just go ahead and leave a sunflower. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next vloggy vlog King crew. Bye. Love y'all. Peace.